Hey y'all, it's Miss Kane and I'm back with another video tutorial for you. Today we are going to be learning about shading and how to create value with the materials you already have at home. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is to create a value scale, okay? So I'm not trying to make this, super perfect with my ruler or anything, because we're really not concerned with how straight of a line you can draw or how even imperfect this can be. We're really just looking for, can you make 6 different values? And like I said, I am just using supplies that you have at home. I'm not using any type of art pencil. So I need 6 of them. I like to work from darkest to lightest. If I start with white and I get dark too fast, there's nowhere else for me to go. Okay, so I am seriously going to color this as dark as I possibly can. Pushing down hard. And I might end up going over it again, right? I might go over the same section that I've already colored twice to make it dark enough, because this is a regular school pencil, right? This is not, a 6B dark artist graphite pencil. You can see that I'm holding this on the side so that I can use this edge of the lead, right? I don't want to use the tip of the lead like that, because we want to cover a bigger area and we want it to be smooth. We don't want any little indentations, and we're not trying to make a super skinny little line. And there you have it, one value scale. All right, so now we've done our value scale. And we can see that this would be like our highlight or our lightest part. And here, those are your midtones. And then over here is your shadow. So we are going to start off by just drawing a square. Don't go get a ruler or anything like that. Remember, we're just using supplies we have readily available at home. And I'm not concerned if it is, a perfect square and a perfect cube, because we're learning about value, not how to draw super straight, perfect cubes. So once you draw your square, you're going to draw 3 diagonal lines, and we're going to try to get them going sort of at the same angle. That is the goal. If it's not perfect, it's okay. All right, then I'm gonna draw a line straight up and down here and straight across here. As you can see, I was just sort of guessing on where that would end, so I just erased the extra. Okay, so we need a light source, right? We need to know where we're shading this from. Where is gonna be our highlight and which way is gonna be our cast shadow. So I'm gonna put my light source, here's my little light bulb. Light bulb. So I'm gonna say it is from over there. Okay, so it's pretty easy on a cube. You're gonna decide which of these faces is closest to the light source. Well, it's the top one. All right, and if this was coming down, sort of diagonal this way, that means that's gonna be, the front of it is gonna be our next closest. So this is gonna be shaded in with like number 2 or number 3 shading, right? This was the last one, right? So that's gonna be the darkest. We wanna color it like a number 5, right? Because it's not our cast shadow. Our cast shadow that we're gonna draw here on the ground is gonna be the number 6. So make it dark, right? It needs to be dark, but not quite as dark as you can go. All right, now we need to know, where is our cast shadow? Well, like I said, this is kind of going this way, right? So you're gonna go and have this kind of come out from the middle, straight line kind of coming out from the middle here. Another line coming from the middle here. Try to get them at the same angle. Connect them. Okay, and then this should be dark, 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 dark. You might have to go over it a couple of times, like I told you when you were doing your value scale. All right, 1 cube.